Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Planner as an app on your desktop. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to planner.cloud.microsoft. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to your Planner workspace where you can manage all your tasks and projects. After you've logged in and your Planner dashboard appears, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 dots there, which is your browser's menu icon. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option that says Cast, Save, and Share. Click on it to expand additional sharing and installation options. This section contains tools for how you can use and access the page in different ways. Next, you'll see an option labeled Install Page as App. Click on this option to begin the installation process. This feature allows you to create a standalone desktop application for Microsoft Planner, which means you won't need to open your browser and navigate to the website every time you want to use it. Instead, it will function like a native app on your computer. A small installation window will now pop up on your screen. Here you'll have the option to customize the name of your app. By default, it might be called Microsoft Planner, but you can change it to whatever you prefer. For instance, you could name it My Planner or Work Tasks, anything that helps you easily identify it on your desktop. Take a moment to enter your preferred name if you'd like to personalize it. Once you're satisfied with the app name, click the Install button to complete the installation. The browser will process your request and add Microsoft Planner as a standalone app to your desktop. This takes just a second or two, and once it's done, you'll be able to launch Planner directly from your desktop or taskbar without needing to open a full browser window. And that's it. You've successfully installed Microsoft Planner as a desktop app, making it much more convenient to access your tasks and stay organized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.